Hello everyone, this is Barka Technical Solution and I am Ferdoz Saman. In this video we are going to see how to use an LDR and how we can make an automatic light system that will turn on depending on whether it is dark or not. So let's go and see how we can make the circuit. So this is a diagram. All we need in this diagram is an LDR. This is the LDR sensor, a 10 kilo ohm resistor that will be connected to our LDR, a LED, and a 330 ohm resistor that will be connected to our LED. Now we will connect our LED's positive side to the pin number 5 of our Arduino and the negative side to the ground pin, and also the LDR's negative side. LDR doesn't have a negative or positive side, so the side that we have connected to the 10 kilo ohm resistor will be connected to the ground, and the other pin will be connected to the A0 or analog pin of our Arduino. So in this case we are using the A0 pin. So that's all in our diagram. Let's go and check out our real circuit, and then we will see how we can program the Arduino to make this work. So this is our actual diagram. So as we have shown in the in our diagram, this is the circuit we have made using the diagram. So this here is our LDR, which is connected to a 10 kilo ohm resistor, and that resistor line is connected to the ground pin of our Arduino, which is the black wire, and the other pin of our LDR is connected to the A0 pin of our Arduino, which is the orange wire, and same with the LED. The LED's negative pin is connected to a 330 ohm resistor, which is connected to the ground pin of our Arduino, and the other positive pin is connected to the pin number 5 of our Arduino. So that's our circuit. Let's go to our Arduino IDE now. So now we are in our Arduino IDE. So here the first thing, as always, we will define all the pins. So for us now, the LDR pin is the A0, the LED pin is the pin number 5, and here we have set a active threshold which is 50. So if this threshold detects how much light there is and how much light the LDR is detecting, so and convert it into a number. So if the LDR is detecting the number 50, then based on this code it will decide that if the light should get turned on or if it should just keep off. So we will see that in here. So here in our setup mode we have set our LDR to input, because it will input this number, and the LED is obviously output. Then in our void loop, what we have done is we have to read our data from the LDR. So we have wrote an function which is called analog read, and what we want to read, which is the LDR. So we have written LDR, and we have saved this data in a variable called data. Then we have a condition. So if the data is greater than the active, which is 50, then the LED will turn on, or else it will be turned off. So how can we actually see the data? So for that, what we have to do is we will set up a serial monitor, serial.begin, and the rate is 9600, and then here we will write serial dot print ln. So we want it in new line every time, and we will print the data. So let's write data, and we will give it a delay of, let's say, 500 millisecond. So you can actually see the data. Now if we upload this to our Arduino, and then we can check our serial monitor, and we can actually see the LDR working and all the numbers, and from there we will decide, or we can actually pick which number would be suitable for us, or how much darkness we want till our light gets on. Now here, as you can see, it's giving us 0. So if I put my hand in front of the LDR, the number will go up, and there you can see. So while we are using the serial monitor, it doesn't give us a constant number. It will give us a constant number, and then it will eventually go to 0, and then again it will give us some number. So it will be blinking if we are using the serial monitor in our program. So that's why I wasn't using in our main program. So now if I upload it to my Arduino again, and let's go and see how it works. So our program is now uploaded to the Arduino board. Now if we put our hand before the LDR, you will see the LED is turning on, because of the frame rate, but in real life it's just constantly on. So if I remove my hand, it turns off. When I put my hand on, it's turned on. So that's how we can make an automatic light system that will turn on when it's dark. So if I put anything before it, that acts like an darkness, because the light gets blocked, and when the LDR detects it, it sends the signal and the LED is turned on. So thank you everyone for watching the video, and please like the video and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this.